Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I packed for a weekend trip. So if that sounds interesting to you, please stay tuned. My spouse and I will be going on a weekend road trip and I will be bringing my MZ Wallace bag and my Uniqlo bag. So let me show you what I have inside. Okay, let's start with the MZ Wallace bag. I have a video reviewing this bag, so if you want to see that, I'll link it in the description box for you. On here, I have this very cute teddy bear bag charm. I got this from Amazon. So let me show you. This is what it looks like inside. You guys will be surprised with how much fits in here. So let me pull out the first item. And this is a pouch that comes with the bag. So I just use this for my toiletries. First item I have is my toothpaste. And this is my favorite whitening toothpaste. This is Luminex. I got it from Amazon. And I also use the whitening strips. Next, I have this Tatcha Skin Mist. It is very moisturizing, so I like to apply that throughout the day. I have some Q-tips here. Next, I have this Tatcha Face Wash. This is the rice wash. It's gentle and it exfoliates your skin. And then I have my SPF here. This is from Naturium. This gives me a Korean glass skin glow. And sometimes I just use this. I don't use any type of face makeup. I buy this stuff in bulk on Amazon. And if I can get my hands on it at my local Target, I usually stock up. Next, I have my lipstick here. I have this one size waterproof eyeliner. Next, I have my Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. This is the travel size, and then I just refill it with the larger size that I have. And then my Burt's Bees chapstick, of course. I have some deodorant here. This is the Native Cucumber Mint. I have my toothbrush. I have my favorite CC cream. This is from It Cosmetics, and I use the medium tan color. I love this formula. This is the Nude Glow. It's very lightweight, but it has medium coverage. And what else? Let's see. I have this towelette just in case I want to use it for my face. I have this travel size perfume. A couple more items. I have my contact solution, and I have an extra pair of contacts in here. And last but not least, my contacts case. So all of that fit in here. It's so soft. I love that the bag came with this pouch. But yeah, let's put this back inside. I know it looks like I always bring a lot of toiletries. I do not know how to pare down when it comes to this. So if you guys have any tips, let me know. I love that you can easily clean this bag as well, because I did spill something inside and I just wiped it and it dried really quick and it looks brand new. So there you go. There's actually more room for a few more items, but there is that. Next item, I have my clothes in here. Let's see. I have 3 shirts in here, one for working out, and then I have a skirt, some leggings, and then I have my underwear in there and my socks. So that's all there. And then I will be wearing a large winter coat because it's about 20 degrees and I get cold really easily, so I need to bundle up. Next item, I have my glasses case, and then I have this travel shampoo. This is from Kitsch, and this is the shampoo and the conditioner. These last a long time, you guys, and it makes your hair feel so smooth and voluminous. So, and it smells really good. This is the rosemary. Next, I have some hotel slippers. I like to wear slippers in the hotel. I don't like to walk around with my shoes. So that's in there. And these are the same ones I've been using all year long. So I just want to keep it separate from the other items. That's why it's in a plastic bag and in this bag. Let's see what else. Nothing else in the main compartment. Oh, I do have my brush in here, my brush and a hair tie. So that's everything inside. And then on the back, I have some hand warmers in here. And if you're like me and you get cold really easily, these are a lifesaver. You just open the pack, they're air activated. You can shake it a little bit, and then you can put these in your pocket and keep your hands warm. There's that, and that is everything in the bag. So let's put everything back in. Are you guys surprised with how much I can fit in here? Isn't it crazy? I love this bag. Ever since I got this MZ Wallace bag, I've been using it daily. I've been into larger bags lately. So this is perfect because you can fit a lot of things, as you can see. So, and I love this pouch, and it comes with the pouch, you guys. So let's put this in here. And then my brush. There you go. And even though this bag is fully packed, it's still lightweight, which I love. And you can see there's a little more room here, so you can slip some shoes if you want to, but I'm only wearing one pair of shoes for this trip. Okay, now moving on to my Uniqlo bag. This is the handbag I'll be bringing, and I have my Paddington Bear bag charm. I got this from the UK. So inside, this is what it looks like. And in here, I have my hand cream, some sunglasses. I love these sunglasses. These are from Amazon. And I have a pair of gloves here. This is also from Amazon. And I believe it comes in a different color as well, the mauve color. So these keep my hands really warm. It's lined with this very soft material. I wore these when I went to the Thanksgiving parade, and it kept my hands warm. And you can still use your phone when you have these gloves on. So there's that. Okay, what's next? I have some mini hand wipes. I have my EDC. I have a video going over what I have inside. If you're interested in seeing that, I will have it in the description box. I have a portable charger, a pen. I have my car keys, and I have a lip oil here. This is from e.l.f. and this is in the color Jam Session. Show you. It's very sheer, but very moisturizing. And fun fact, my daughter calls me Jam. My name is Jasmine. So when I saw this, I had to get it, and it's so cute. And let's see, I have my AirPods in here. And of course, my wallet, cell phone. I have my favorite hand sanitizer, Chanel mirror, and my chapstick. It's the Burt's Bees chapstick. And there you go. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know I love the Uniqlo bag. I do have a video reviewing it, so I can link that for you as well. So let's put everything back in. So this may seem like a lot for a weekend trip, but I like to be prepared. And like I said, it's so cold here, so I just want to make sure I have everything I need. My skin gets really dry, so all of these are a necessity for me. What is the weather in your area, you guys? Can you tell me down below? My daughter lives in a different state, and it's actually warm there, so I am interested to know where you guys are from and what the weather is. So there you go, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!